If you are looking for the best bike lock, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Altor Angle Grinder Proof Bicycle ULock. The Altor SAF lock set out to be the world's first angle grinder-proof lock. For practical purposes, it succeeded. We burned through 6 batteries and 4 grinding discs before we finally managed to cut the lock. A 5-inch angle grinder, the most popular variant, doesn't have enough cutting depth to go straight through, so thieves are left to hack at an aluminum shell and hardened steel core. That said, you're less likely to be stolen from if your lock is bigger than the next bike's, so the SAF lock is tough to beat as a stationary security solution. Number 2. Altor Apex Folding Bicycle Lock. Lock. Altor's Apex Folding Lock is an elegant device with a premium feel to match its price. At 2.4 pounds, it's among the lighter folding locks. Its bottle mount held up. In testing, the Apex stayed put and didn't rattle as we pedaled. Unfolded, it's just big enough to secure your frame and front or rear wheel. Its hardened steel construction should be formidable against hand tools. Reviewers at Wirecutter were able to drill through the hinges of the previous version, the 560G, but the Apex has hardened steel joint caps to protect the rivets from drilling attacks. Number 3. Hiplok Gold Wearable Chain Lock. Strong enough to use in high-risk circumstances whilst also remaining truly portable. That's not because it's somehow lighter than other chain locks. It's not. At 4.85 pounds, 2.2 kilograms, like all chains, it's pretty heavy. That's around the same weight as 5.5 cans of Coke. But Hiplok chains are unique because you can wear them around your waist like a belt. This makes them much easier to carry than normal chain locks, which you generally have to wrap around your seat post. Number 4. Kryptonite Evolution ULock Bike Lock. At 7 inches long, it's the perfect size for most people, long enough to lock the wheel and frame of most bicycles to a rack while leaving almost no room to wedge a pry bar or a car jack inside it. In addition, the shackle on the redesigned new U now has an additional cutout at the end, which makes rotating it after cutting it even more difficult. The new U Evolution uses a disc detainer locking mechanism, which is much harder to pick than a wafer lock. It also comes with a 4-foot cable to secure the front wheel. Number 5. Kryptonite FAHGETTABOUDIT 1410 Disc Lock. If you want to secure more than just your bike frame and wheel, If you have a cargo or electric bike that needs a longer lock, or if your favorite spot to lock up is around a street post, go with the Kryptonite New York FAHGETTABOUDIT chain, which is one of the toughest chain locks we tested. It uses 3 feet of 14mm hardened links held together by a 15mm Kryptonite New York disc lock, and it should keep all but the most determined thieves at bay.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.